Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video on the Debutify theme 7.0.1 release. We've been working really hard on this. The link for this is in the description. You can look at it and read it yourself as well. But as a quick overview, this is a short one. We've got more releases coming. Very, very excited. Enhanced collection list. There was a few issues with the collection list that were identified as part of 7.0. The collection list and main menu list on the collections page now have the option to be displayed as a carousel on desktop. We had a few people ask about that. Additionally, a new setting has been added to fill the spaces on the grid. So you just have some advanced customization there. Expanded mega menu options. We've increased the limit of the mega menu collections and added a new setting to optimize the use of available spaces. A lot of people are using mega menus now, and we're really trying to embrace that. So that has been enhanced, and we've got even more enhancements coming. Enhanced control. We've added a setting to the product page and featured product select section to allow users to enable or disable filtering by alt attributes. Okay, so basically there you can then have advanced customization for on the product page as well. A few people were asking about that. We're really trying to embrace that advanced customization. And then we have custom code revamp, right? So basically expanding its capabilities in the liquid code. There was a few limitations. We've found a solution for that. And you have now a block in the theme editor as well for the product sections for greater customization. For those who really want to do a lot of that customization, that's now available. And lastly, just a few bug fixes. The nested menu and the header overlaps when switching between options is now fixed. The text column with the image widget was not displaying properly. That is now fixed. When a customer changes a variant, the product variant switcher displayed on was the incorrect variant. That bug is now fixed. And the issue with the add to cart text and icon alignment on the product page, there was a few bugs there that is now fixed. And the issue with the Google SEO tool, there was a few conflicts that Google had changed that caused some SEO issues. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the release notes for this week. We have 7.1 already coming out with new widgets and more bugs. I should also add one of the important things as well. We're moving now to weekly deployments. Now we've really got our infrastructure where we need it to be. We also acknowledge that presents a number of issues for people constantly having to update every week. We're working on the back end. Now that we have the Debutify custom app, we have the Debutify theme manager and the version 7, we're making them compatible where if you have the Debutify custom app, you can get remote updates. Now the remote updates won't be automatically installed. You choose to install them, okay? So that we give you that choice, of course, as well. But that's also going to fix that where that's going to reduce most of people having to update the theme. So basically you stay, it'll make a backup of the theme, and then you'll have the new one, but the settings should all pretty much be there, right? We're finding a few little issues in that with that, and so that is still in beta, but in the upcoming releases, we've got that coming as well. So very excited to bring that to you. If you do like this video, please be sure to like, comment down below if there's any questions, bugs. Join our Discord community as well if you have any further questions and need sort of personal support there too. All the links are in the description, including this one. Other than that, I'll see you in the next release notes video. Thank you.